Is your job safe, or will artificial intelligence take it? Right now, automation and AI are reshaping the job market faster than any technology in history. Factories, offices, warehouses, even creative industries. No profession feels untouched. Some people see opportunity, others see threat. The truth is, it's both. So let's explore which jobs are disappearing, which ones are being transformed, and which careers may survive in the age of automation. When people hear machines replacing jobs, they picture factory workers or cashiers. And it's true, repetitive, routine work is usually the first to go. Self-checkouts are replacing supermarket staff. Robotic arms are building cars with speed and precision. Warehouses use fleets of automated machines to move packages around the clock. But here's the surprise. It's not just blue-collar jobs at risk. White-collar roles, once thought safe, are also under pressure. Think about data entry clerks. Why pay humans to type figures into spreadsheets when software does it instantly and flawlessly? Think about paralegals. Artificial intelligence can now scan thousands of legal documents in seconds, spotting relevant cases that would take a human days. Even customer service is changing. Chatbots and voice systems are handling millions of inquiries worldwide. Sometimes so convincingly, customers don't even realize they're talking to a machine. So, what jobs are most at risk? Economists often break them into three categories: routine manual jobs, routine cognitive jobs, and middle skill roles. Routine manual jobs include assembly line work, food preparation, and driving. With self-driving trucks, delivery drones, and automated kitchens, millions of these roles could vanish in the next decade. Routine cognitive jobs include clerical work, bookkeeping, and finance tasks. Artificial intelligence doesn't get bored filling out forms or crunching numbers. And companies know that means efficiency and savings. Middle skill roles, combining predictable tasks with moderate decision-making, are especially vulnerable. Think of travel agents, bank tellers, or basic insurance underwriters. Software can often do these tasks faster, cheaper, and with fewer errors. One major study suggested 300 million jobs worldwide could be affected by automation. That's not science fiction. That's already unfolding. But here's the good news. Not all jobs are equally threatened, and some careers may actually grow stronger in the era of artificial intelligence. So which jobs are safest? First, roles that demand genuine creativity. Machines can generate text, images, even music. But ask anyone who's used these tools, they're still limited. They imitate patterns they've seen. They don't innovate. They don't have taste or vision. That's why careers in original design, storytelling, innovation, and leadership remain secure. A machine can produce a song, but it can't write your song. It can draft a screenplay, but it doesn't understand what makes an audience laugh, cry, or cheer. Second, roles that require empathy and human connection. Nurses, therapists, social workers, teachers. These aren't just jobs, they're relationships. Patients don't just want a diagnosis from data. They want compassion. Children don't just need information. They need encouragement, role models, and inspiration. Yes, technology can assist in these fields, but it cannot replace the bond of human care. Third, careers involving complex physical dexterity. It's easy for robots to weld car parts, but ask them to cut your hair or fix a leaky pipe in a crawl space. And it's far harder. Jobs like plumbers, electricians, carpenters, and skilled trades may be among the safest in the AI age. Because replicating human hands, intuition, and adaptability in the real world is far tougher than crunching numbers on a server. So here's the picture. Jobs most at risk are repetitive, predictable, and data-driven. Jobs most resilient are creative, relational, or require dexterity. But even safe careers won't be untouched. Take journalism. Artificial intelligence can write news summaries in seconds, but the best journalists don't just report facts. They investigate. They hold power accountable. They tell stories that shape society. Take healthcare. Software can analyze scans faster than radiologists. But doctors don't just read images. They interpret, they explain, they comfort. Take education. AI tutors can personalize lessons, but teachers inspire curiosity, build confidence, and prepare kids for life, not just exams. In every field, the roles that endure will be the ones that emphasize the human element. Now here's what most people miss. While machines replace some jobs, they also create new ones. Entire industries have already emerged. Artificial intelligence engineers, data scientists, prompt designers, roles that didn't exist 5 years ago are now booming. And it's not just technical jobs. There's demand for ethicists to guide decisions, policy experts to regulate new technologies, even artists who collaborate with AI to push creativity further. History repeats this pattern. The Industrial Revolution destroyed millions of farm jobs, but it created millions of factory jobs. The Computer Revolution automated office work, but it created entire industries in software and IT. The AI revolution will be no different. Yes, jobs will vanish, but new ones will emerge. The challenge is retraining people quickly enough. And here lies the real issue. Disruption won't be equal. Some industries will adapt, others will lag. Some workers will retrain easily, others may struggle. That's why experts stress lifelong learning. In the age of artificial intelligence, education never stops. Learning new skills, adapting to new tools, reinventing yourself, not once, but many times. Because the biggest risk isn't AI itself, it's failing to adapt to it. So where does this leave us? Ask yourself 3 questions about your career. 1, is my work repetitive or creative? 2, is my role transactional or relational? 3, is my skill set easily reduced to rules, or is it nuanced and human? If your job is repetitive, transactional, and rule-based, it's at higher risk. If it's creative, relational, and human-driven, it's safer. And if you're somewhere in the middle, that's your signal. Start building skills machines can't replicate. Creativity, emotional intelligence, complex problem solving, because those will remain valuable no matter how advanced artificial intelligence becomes. So let's bring it all together. Yes, machines will take jobs. Yes, careers will disappear, but new opportunities will rise, and the roles that endure will be the ones that emphasize what makes us human. The pen didn't eliminate writers. The camera didn't eliminate artists. The computer didn't eliminate thinkers. And artificial intelligence won't eliminate humans. It will force us to evolve, to focus less on routine and more on creativity, empathy, and adaptability. So, is your job safe? Maybe, maybe not. But your career can be, if you're willing to learn, adapt, and grow alongside the machines. So let me ask you, do you think your job is safe from artificial intelligence? Or will automation transform your industry in the next 10 years? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Unlocked, where every week we explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping healthcare, education, work, and beyond. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here.